Having a pool out in the country it's great. It's fine. It gets hot out here, working hard out here, right? It's great. However, it gets all kinds of crazy bugs and just so much dust from the gravel and the fields around us and the working fields and things. It gets really gross. So it's nice that I can get up in the morning and come out for a swim if I want to, and my pool is already clean. That's because I'm able to use this. This is the iGarden M160. Now, there are different models. This is the M1 AI60. They've got a 45, a 90, maybe like a 1 and a 16. So basically the difference between each one of these models is how much it can clean or how long it can clean, its battery size. So the M160, I'm gonna get this right. The M160 can clean about 6 hours continuously. That's a lot of cleaning. And especially for a pool this size, it's not gonna need that much. But what makes this special is the integrated cameras, the AI system that has built into it, and it's got a built-in light. That means it can clean at nighttime. So I can drop this in there, go on the app, set my schedule, and say I want you to clean overnight for 6 hours across this time, because it can clean for 6 hours continuously, which is an impressive feat in its own right. Put it in there and just tell it to clean. So all night long, it is continuously cleaning up all the dust that has been coming out during the day, bugs that have gotten in there and everything. And in the morning I come out, my pool is clean. This is one of the first pool cleaners I've ever found that can do that. Nighttime cleaning, because it has a light and AI and dual cameras, so it's using a binocular system to detect things. Now, it's not just looking around to see the shape of your pool, because it does that as well. And it can do all kinds of shapes, round, square, kidney, oblong, unique, whatever you want to call it. It does all those, as well as the different types of pool sides. You got concrete and vinyl and tile and all that stuff, and handles it all really well. But because we've got such a unique and capable device here, it's able to handle all that stuff just fine, no matter the size or shape of the pool. So one of the things that really makes this special is I can drop this in the pool and it can clean it, and I can say, I want you to clean my pool every day for 30 minutes for the next 2 weeks. And you just put it in and leave it. And it will continuously go back and clean and put itself to sleep and then wake to do the cleaning. And so it does all this intelligently. So it's kind of nice that if your pool is constantly being cleaned, and maybe it's not as filthy as it gets out here from my pool, it's got a massive basket. Like, it's got a huge basket here, and it's a double filtration system on the basket, because we got an extra filter right here that pops off. But because it's got such a large basket, it's able to stay in your pool and keep it clean over that time period. And so you constantly have a clean pool when you're ready to get in. It's just clean. It's a really great system. So we'll dive into some of the specifics of this. Aside from being able to clean at night, and it's, scheduling and leaving your pool being a unique feature that I hadn't seen before, look at this thing. Like, it looks like some sports car. It is really cool. And this red color is, whoo, that is cherry. It is nice. So all kinds of sensors around this thing. In addition to intelligently mapping and finding things around your pool, those cameras are also identifying different objects. So whether that is sand, a bug, leaves, twigs, whatever that may be, it sees those things and it can recognize what it is and adjust the amount of suction that it's using to pick up that device that helps it save battery and be more efficient. So it can go anywhere. It regulates between about 5,000 gallons per hour to just about 6,100 gallons per hour, depending on what it sees and how much suction it's needing. It's also using that power to climb the walls, because this is also going to clean the walls and your water line. It's not doing surface cleaning, so it's not going to go across the water and get bugs and stuff like that, but it is going to get the walls clean and the surface line where the water meets the wall and all that stuff, and clean that line really well. Doing that, we've got a 4-track system. So we've got our wheels here, we got our cleaning brushes on the front, we got a nice rubbery scraper here, as well as these tracks here. All of this helps it move around the pool very efficiently and attach to the wall and get up and down the wall and do a great job cleaning that as well. So all these things work together, and it does a great job doing all that. We got the cameras and the light on the front, as well as sensors across the front and sensors on the side. On top, we do have a control panel here with some touch sensitive buttons. It's not like a screen, but they're touch sensitive control panels here. So we've got power, we've got suction. You can adjust the power of that. You can change the modes, whether it's just floor, just walls, both. You can adjust all that as well. You can turn on the AI function, which is going to make it more efficient and clean better, but you can turn it off if you'd like. You can set your timer, and then you also have error codes and battery level on top. So if there's an error, you can read all that on the device, as well as the app, of course. Across the back, nothing crazy going on back here, just more of cool design. And we got our discharge ports on the back from our dual motors. Great power there. Back here is our plug for charging it. Nothing crazy on the charger, just basic plugs into the wall. It's got an end right here, just plug it in. When you're done charging, put the rubber plug back in there to keep it all safe and put together. Dropping this in the pool. So it does tons of different things. When you put this in the pool, you'll set your mode, whether you're doing it from the control panel here or you do it on the app, set your mode, drop it in the pool, and it goes to work. It's super simple and it does a fantastic job. I've been really impressed at how thorough this thing cleans. Now, fast, it's not fast. It takes its time and does a very good job cleaning. Part of that's because it's scanning the pool when you leave the AI mode on. It's scanning it, make sure it does a good job, and it's gonna tackle the dirty places the most and really get those cleaned up. However, it does have a quick clean mode. So in about 20 minutes, it'll go through and clean your entire pool, and it claims 99% of the debris will be picked up. Now, I don't have a way to measure that. However, my pool has looked significantly cleaner after it's run for that 20 minutes. But you can set your different modes, get it set up, have it clean. The scheduling feature is fantastic. I love that I can put it in the pool, before you put it in the pool, schedule it in the app, because once it's in the pool, it loses connectivity, water and all that stuff, right? But set it in the app, what you want it to do, drop in the pool, and it's set. So if you're gonna have it in there and clean your pool for 2 weeks, you won't have to touch it again. It's really nice. This does not park at the water surface, so it's not gonna rise up and park for you. This model won't. They do have a Pro model that has a cool feature where the hook that comes with it, so you do get a hook, the charger. This hook just goes on your pool cleaning deal. Use this to take it out of the water. But it comes with a special hook that has sonar built into the hook, and the pool cleaner itself has sonar, and you literally tap the top of the water and it wakes this up and it swims up to the top and you can pull it out. It's a really cool feature. But when it's done cleaning, you just pull it out of the pool, plug it back up, take your waste basket out. I found the best way to clean these, I use one of those adjustable hose sprayers, put it on there. I use the flat setting, so it's like a mist, flat mist. Does a great job cleaning this stuff out. Nice and easy to do that. There's not a whole lot to using this. You get in the app and you go through your settings, the power you want it to clean out. So it does have a turbo mode, so turn it on or off, turn on your AI on or off, choose your cleaning mode, floor, wall, both, waterline, however you're gonna do that, set that up. If you're scheduling it, you can put it in there and say, I want you to do all the things, but I want you to do it in 2 hours. Put it in there and it'll do it all in 2 hours. It's a really cool, gives you tons of flexibility, and it does a really good job cleaning it. I do wish, the one thing I do have on this is it's relatively heavy. I mean, I'd say we're about 25 pounds here. Taking it out of the pool, because this doesn't go to the surface and my model doesn't have the option to call it up to the surface of the water, it is relatively heavy. Getting the hook into this front area, I've scraped it up a little bit. There's some scrapes where getting the pool hook in there and the rod or the pool cleaning handle here has scraped it up a little bit. So getting that hook inside of it to really get a hold of it so you can pull it out is kind of a pain. And like I said, it's kind of scraped up the top of it. But getting out of the water, when it's full of water, it's really heavy and it does take a while to drain out. As you can see when we pulled out here, it takes a minute to get drained out so you can get it out and it's not so heavy. So I would like it to be a little bit lighter. And of course, I'd like to do the surface of the water, just do an all-in-one complete cleaning robot. I recently reviewed the Mammotion Spino E1. That doesn't do the water surface either. However, last year I did the BeatBot AquaSense 2 Ultra, and it does water surface, walls, waterline, floor, all of that stuff. So there are options out there that can do all those things. I would like to see it added to this. However, like I said, this is extremely thorough, and it does have those features where it's got nighttime pool cleaning, as well as just drop it in there and it'll take care of your pool for a couple of weeks if you want. That's something unique to this. Not to mention, it's just the coolest looking pool cleaner I've ever seen. I'll put a link for everything down below. If you have any questions, make sure you drop those in the comments. Be happy to help you out any way I can. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It helps out a ton, really benefits me. It doesn't cost you anything. If you want to know when the videos drop, hit the bell icon. You'll get a notification as soon as it's available. That way you don't have to go track them down. It's ready for you whenever you're ready to look at it. Outside of that, I was sent this for test and review purposes. However, neither iGarden or any PR agencies will get any input on this video, and they'll see it all at the same time, just like you at the same time. So thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.